What's up everybody? For today's video I got a new type of video. It is a new series I'm going to be introducing called Grail Time, similar to a mail time style video, but it's going to be grails of mine that I have been wanting for a very long time. Please know, just because it's a grail to me, it might not be a grail to you, so these are not insane items. It's just items I've been looking for a very long time and was finally able to buy. And I'm very sorry, but I am kicking off this series being sick, so my voice may sound a little bit different, so please ignore that. So let's just get right into this and start off the very first episode of Grail Time. So also I should have mentioned that I did film some of these videos already. They have not been released yet, and the idea for Grail Time was not even around yet. So I will have to do some sort of intro for those videos because I did get a few things already for this Grail Time series. But once I got this, I got the idea to make the whole Grail Time series. So anyways, enough of that, enough talking like I previously said. This will be episode 1 of Grail Time. This item I have been on the hunt for a very long time. It is not very expensive at all. You can get it under $100 all day, and I was actually able to get this one for I want to say under like $60. So I did get a really good deal on it, and it also is used. So I mean, I don't really know how used it possibly could be, but you'll see what I mean once I open it. But I just don't know how like used it could be. I doubt he used it for its intended purpose. By used, he probably like hung it up on a wall or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. I don't plan on putting what this is in the title, so without skipping ahead, before I open up this box, leave a comment down below on what you think this possibly could be in the box. I have been talking about getting this item for a very long time. I also have no idea why the seller shipped this in a box. He could have saved so much money by putting this in an envelope or something. But the first item on the Grail Time series is the Supreme Bling BOGO towel. I have been wanting this for a minute. Honestly, before I was even into Supreme, I've been wanting this. A lot of people were put onto this from the A$AP Rocky. I think he had the cheetah print one, and I know he had this one too that he wore on his hats. And that was honestly when I was first getting into Supreme without buying Supreme, kind of getting to know what Supreme was. I'm a huge fan of the Bling box logo, even though I could probably say it's like the least favorite BOGO for everybody. This is like the most hated box logo of all time from what I could see in the comments and things like that. That just no one really likes this BOGO, but I don't know why. I love it. You can get it pretty cheap, under like 200 bucks all day. So I still really do enjoy the Bling box logo, and I just had to get the towel. Like I said, I have been wanting this for so long. There are some stains on it, so I do see that, but like this is like, when was this, like SS16 or 14, something like that, so it is kind of old. I am like 99% sure that it is legit. I might try to see if I could have some of my friends legit check it for me. I mean, the tag looks good. I don't really know how to legit check the towel, but it feels fine to me. I think it should be good. But yeah, I'll do another overview of it so you can see with the Supreme Bling towel. This is actually the first time I've ever seen this in person, so this is a lot bigger than what I remember it looking like or seeing. And then here, as you can see, it is right here. It does have some staining on it, like you can kind of see. But like I said, for the price that I paid, I really do not care. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I feel like, I don't know. I can't really hang this up because I don't really want to put thumbtacks to it or anything like that. I don't really know how I'm going to do it or what I'm going to do with it. But I am just hyped to finally get this in the collection. I have been wanting this for so long. This was a super quick video, but I did want to address the new series that I'm trying to put on called Grail Time. And like I said, a lot of people are probably watching this wondering why that's a grail, but you have to keep in mind, just because it's a grail to me doesn't mean it's a grail to you. Just because your grail items are grails to you doesn't mean it's a grail to me. So these are just items that I have personally been wanting for a very long time and have been on the hunt. Obviously I could have bought this any time in my life because it's very cheap, but I just been postponing it, and then you know, sometimes the right deals fall into the right time and then you're able to buy it and you can knock something off your list. So a lot of these things in Grail Time are not going to be that crazy, but they are crazy to me. So I hope you did enjoy that first episode of Grail Time. Let me know in the comments down below if you did like this type of video, as I plan on making a lot more. I think I have 4 already filmed. I just have to make new intros for them because obviously the whole Grail Time concept was not in effect during the time of those recordings. So also, one last thing I wanted to say, you've probably realized I have been uploading a little bit more frequently now. That is because I am trying to upload twice a week now. As of right now, I'm pretty sure I can do it for a while. I plan on continuously pumping out content for you guys, so please subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification to be alerted anytime I upload a new video, and please drop a like on this video and a comment as well. I have a ton of other hypebeast related content on the channel that you can go check out if you haven't already. I would appreciate that. And like I said, thank you so much for stopping by. Stay tuned for the next episode of Grail Time, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.